Starting with either wet or dry hair, prep your hair using botanical repair, strengthening leave-in, and in-body thickening foam. Blow dry in. Section out the bottom third of your hair at the nape of your neck, and using either a curling iron, wand, or flat iron, curl your hair in all the same direction. Your subsections should be roughly the same width as the size of your tool. Create a second section. These do not need to be perfect. Clip away the rest of the hair and continue to curl your hair in the same direction as your previous sections. Set your hair with Aveda Air Control Light Hold Hairspray, allow to cool, and brush out using an Aveda paddle brush. Section out 2 inches on both sides at the front of your face, and tie these pieces at the nape of the neck using a birch halo. Polish the look with the Birch Accessories bijou.